Hello friends, welcome to Kirti's Creations. As we all know, Ganpati festival is coming soon. So today we are going to make the ornaments for Ganesha idol. Let's see how to make these beautiful bangles or bracelets for our beloved Ganpati Bappa. Let's start. The material required is golden sheet wire, crystal beads of green, yellow and red color. The size is 6 mm, scissor and the white pulse 6 mm. I have taken a piece of golden sheet wire. Firstly, I will make a loop at the one end of wire by this simply twisting method. See, I have taken the double strands of the wire for the durability. Now, I will insert two white pearls. Then I will insert one red bead, one yellow bead and one green bead. Again two pearls, white pearls. Then red, yellow and green beads. And so on. I will complete it. As you can see, I have inserted white pearls and the colored beads for 4 times. This size is enough for 1 feet Ganesha idol. Now I will make a little circle of it. Just we have to give a shape. And then I will cut it, leaving 1 inch space here. See. Now at this end I will just make one open loop so that I will insert this loop in the closed loop and the bangle will be closed. See, isn't it looking so beautiful? I will make some more bangles. See, I have made all these bangles or bracelets for our Ganesha idol. The size is appropriate for 1 feet Ganesha idol. You can make alterations in designs and make beautiful ornaments within few minutes. I hope you liked my creation. Please subscribe to my channel. It gives me the motivation for making more and more craft videos. Thank you. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye and Ganpati Bappa Moria.